Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Supposed to turn. Who are they gonna pull over? Me? That guy? Yes. God, bro. Yes. I'll pull it up.
Dude, and I just like what, man? Why is it? Dude, it scared the shit out of me because I just got into one last time.
Yes.
They've been lied to. I think Will was meant to be that. Sure.
God damn it,
dude.
dude.
See what's happening out there? It's like, wait, this feels a lot like end time. We're supposed to be
man.
bouncing back and realizing that we've erred and that like this is all.
What the hell is that guy doing? Get a PC, right? And then you could just get the monitors. So, but the problem is it will be running at 1080p, 100, either more than 120 frames per second. What the f are you doing? Oh, did he hit you? Are you about to follow him? Yes, he just hit the car. Alright, yeah. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, follow that. I'll wave him down. Block him off. Where you going? Huh?
looked carefully for any sign of a serpent, and then brought the mat down to a hover 5 meters above the grass. Carefully, he extracted the rope, made a loop, carpet, and wound several lengths around the carpet, leaving enough slack.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.